Welcome to this video tutorial. We're working with our page design. Here we have the change template. As you know, on Publisher we have so many templates you can work with. We have this template on the flyer. We have the events, marketing, real estate, and so on. And you can choose to use any of these templates on the existing document you are working with, or you open it on another document. As you can see, we have the business information of the manager here. So if I'm going with any of these templates, you can see the profile, the information of the manager, and the logo will be displaying here for you to choose. And from home, you can decide to change from the flyer and go with the advertisement. So these are the inbuilt advertisements. But okay, you can decide to select from the um let's say calendars. So these are the calendar. You can decide to choose from this list of the calendar. Like I said earlier, I'll show you where you can change the calendar to the time frame from 1 month to here. You can set it here. So this is the calendar of a whole year, and the size can be in portrait or landscape. So this is the portrait design. So I'm going to show you the landscape design. So if you are not okay with this, you can choose any of the design for your calendar, and you can set the date for the calendar. As you can see, this can be reduced, it can be changed from Jan 25 to all you need to do is to click OK. So here you will be able to have multiple calendar here. So if you are okay with any of the design, all you need to do is to click OK. Then the system is asking you, are you applying this theme to the current publication or create a new publication? So in this case, I'm going to create a new publication here. Here is the new publication, and I have other information from previous publication I'm working with. You can see I have the text and my table. Then when you scroll down here, you still have other content. Yeah, still have other content here. Um, let's come back to the page design. So here is our calendar. Can Let's check the page image. So by default we have the white, which set the top and bottom to 1 inch. And if we want to do custom, you can come here to do the custom setting, where you adjust the width, the left, right, top, button. And if you want to use two page master, all you need to do is to check this button, then you do the adjustment. And this is the green line and the baseline setting. The spacing start with 11 points, and this one as well. So if you are okay with this, you go ahead. So I'm going to return it back to a single one and click OK. Now the page orientation, we have the landscape and the portrait. So it's in landscape. Oh, it's in portrait. Let's take it back to, yes, it's in landscape. So we can take it to landscape or portrait and change its paper size. We have the current 11 by, this is A4 size. This is letter, this is A4 size. So if you are okay, you change it to A4 size. You can pick other size here. So this is the guide to build a page. So you can decide to use any of this guide to build your own publication. So here I right click, I need a blank page, then I need a guide to do that, so that I can choose this. So here I'll be able to start inserting my text box inside the guide area, and I can decide to insert the placeholder for the image. Here I want the image to be here. I decide to put it here. So this is what the guide is doing on the page. So I can decide to delete objects or to delete pages, remove pages, position to another position. Now we have the schema of the page. So here, this is the present schema. I can change it to this. I can change it to this. So as I'm changing it, you will notice that the page schema is changing. So I can decide to change to any of these, and this is the font. So the font can be changed from the current font to another font of choice, and everything will be changed. Now we have the background. I can put a background. The background color of the page can be changed from here, and I can get more background from here. So I can decide to use picture. So all I need to do is to get the picture from the file. I can decide to use nothing, solid fill, and set the transparent. I'm using the red, so I'm setting the transparent to 70. As you can see, this is what I've got. So we have the master pages menu as well. So the master pages is on this. When you change it to none, it comes to none. So here we don't have master pages, so it's not changing anything. So thank you for staying tuned, and see you on the next video tutorial.